Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Hello kids. Today we are going to learn about the letter E. E. So listen the story carefully. Ifo Iraj was a baby elephant. He used to do exercise every day. He was also fond of making colorful envelopes. One day, when the hen was eating grains, a naughty boy stole her eggs. On seeing this, the elephant started shouting loudly. The naughty boy got scared and ran away in an engine. So today we learn about the letter E. E for elephant, E for exercise, E for envelopes, E for eggs, E for engine. Now clap your hands. Thank you.